Those of you interested in visiting Montenegro, whether on a group trip with me or on your own, let me change two myths that people have about it. One, yes, it's a European country, but it is not a Schengen country. You do not need prior appointment, VFS, and all that headache. You can do most of your process online. The second myth is that UAE residents get visa on arrival when visiting Montenegro. It is not true. The only flights that actually go to Montenegro direct are flight away, and it only functions between June and August. So if you want to apply for visa, you need to send an email to montenegroUAE@mfa.gov.me, and that's an embassy in Abu Dhabi. The documents that they require is a visa application form filled out and 2 blank pages on your passport, a colored passport copy with a validity of 3 months. You need to have a passport photo uploaded. You need to have flight tickets. Dummy will not do. The real thing is important. Hotel reservations. You need to send them a 3-month bank statement. Online will do. Travel insurance, previous visas, UK, multi-Schengen, Schengen in general, US, Canada, whatever. Upload all of that as well. Salary certificate or trade license. You will need to go to Abu Dhabi Embassy for an interview, and after that the whole process takes a month. My suggestion, I strongly recommend applying for your visa at least 2 months prior.